Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to set up a website on BigCommerce. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening our official BigCommerce website right here at bigcommerce.com if you're not already. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the main page, which once you open up we can get started. So first things first guys, you can notice right here at the top of the screen we have two sections. We have the enterprise section and the small business section. If you're an enterprise, you can get started right from here. You can explore the platform, start looking at the pricing and request a demo. In the upper right corner, if you click the request demo option, it's going to enable you to create an account. You can go ahead and sign up for an account, providing all the info of your enterprise and getting in touch to get started with a demo for your store. So by clicking the demo option, is going to go and give you the option to go and test out BigCommerce. And if you're a small business, you can click the small business section right here. By clicking small business, this is going to enable you to get started with a free trial. You can go and sign up as well by creating your account, inputting your store info, name, and so on, and getting started with creating your store for a free trial to test out how BigCommerce works. So once you have done that, now we can get started. What I suggest you do guys is to take a look at an article like this one right here, a tutorial for beginners of BigCommerce on how to get started. It's going to show you all the steps, like the first step being to create an account, as I have just showed you, to get started with setting up your BigCommerce. After that, you can get started setting up your BigCommerce store profile and your website. So this is going to be your BigCommerce store, which you can go ahead and set up your store name, store address, and so on, after which we can get started customizing it. So once you have set it up, this is going to be your dashboard right here. This is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your store where you can manage all your products, your orders, all your info regarding your store in your dashboard right here, so that you can get started. And by setting up your store, you are also setting up your website that people will be able to access and use for ordering off of your store, and it's easy as that. So what you want to do is go ahead and check out the article for yourself or get started with exploring for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful with it. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So I guess thanks for watching, take care, and bye.